Composition in JavaScript is a great way to put classes together. The main concept to think of when using composition is thinking of an object being composed of something. For example, an axe is composed of a handle and a blade, or a sandwich is composed of bread and the fixins. This, of course, is in contrast to inheritance, where is-a is the main concept, like a cat being an animal or a daisy being a flower. Let's play this out by making a stack class, which a stack would be composed of something to hold the items. In this stack class, the constructor defined directly that we've decided the item holder would be an array. You see that when we define this dot box equaling an empty array. Since JavaScript arrays resize on their own when enough is put into them, we don't need to keep track of the array's length ourselves. Further down, we implement the three main stack operations, those being push, pop, and peek. This is where you see composition being so nice. Since arrays already have well-defined methods to make them act like stacks, you can just say call the push method on the box array and it works, or just call the pop method on the box array and it just works. Peek works similarly as well. Composition is nice because you can easily add functionality using existing classes you have around without having to define the hierarchies needed with inheritance. Like and subscribe to learn more.